Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sowmini from Agrighar Services Pvt Ltd. I've started my entrepreneurship journey in 2019. I've been allotted land in TIF Industrial Estate at Dandu Malkapur. We have started our multi-food processing unit which has dal mill, rice mill, millet mill, cold press oil mill. We also have a solar cold storage and a dehydrator. This unit was proposed to facilitate all the farmers to promote them into value addition services. We are located on the highway between Vijayawada and Hyderabad. This is very well placed unit onto the highway, and we are inviting all entrepreneurs to use up this facility for their own startup establishments. We are inviting farmers or entrepreneurs who are really looking to change the farming sector to utilize our unit. Here we provide manufacturing as a service, which is a contract manufacturing where you can utilize our machinery and create your own brands. We also do our white labeling. We have a wide range of products ranging from pulses to value-added products till laddus, and we also have different snack items coming up. We invite all the entrepreneurs to use this facility and also explore the opportunities in export, because there is a lot of opportunity in food processing. Even the central government and state governments are promoting food processing at a very big level. After Corona, everyone realized the importance of food and the nutrition and how it is impacting the health and wellness of each individual. So we invite everyone to utilize this opportunity which is given by Agrighar. We also incubate people, giving them hands-on training and also giving end-to-end solutions, starting from training to setting up their brands and going into market. So we are now an ISO certified unit. We are also getting US FDA certification, so we invite exporters also to utilize this opportunity. We invite more young people to come into farming sector, because my transformation happened when I realized there is no second generation farmer in the rural areas. So we are concentrating on establishing these rural livelihoods and rural entrepreneurship opportunities here. We invite the youth from the rural areas and also people who are looking forward to have this agri-entrepreneurship as their major income source. We have wide range of products here, starting from raw pulses, raw millets, and also rice. We also do value addition to the level where we make millet laddus, millet murkus. We have millet snacks coming up. We also have mango rolls, which is the key product of Agrighar, which is the signature product what we call, because we use Kesari variety of mangoes, which is the premium quality of mangoes. We have solar dehydration, where we are making innovative products coming out of dehydrated vegetables like vegetable powders, making masalas out of it, and having instant gravy mixes. So this is the upcoming range of products what we are having. We also invite people who wants to use these facility for their product development. You can actually come down here. We charge very minimal, 500 rupees per day for giving that place, and you can utilize the machinery, you can utilize the manpower, which will be costed as per the requirement.